If World War III happens tomorrow, the shotgun sitting in most American homes is probably useless. Most people think any 12 gauge will save them when the grid goes down, but a World War III survival scenario changes the rules completely. You need to look at your weapon right now and ask some hard questions. Will it cycle smoothly when it is caked in dirt and mud? Is the ammunition common enough to scavenge when store shelves are completely bare? Can it clear a dark hallway and also harvest wild game to keep food on the table? Or is it going to freeze up the moment things get ugly? These are 12 shotguns ranked by true survival capability, separating the overhyped lookers from the brutal, battle-tested tools that will actually keep your family alive. 12. Mossberg 500 Flex 12 gauge.
Whoa!
The Mossberg 500 Flex is the entry point that every new shooter should understand before anything else. If you've never owned a shotgun and you've never fired one, then this is where you start. The Flex system is what makes this particular 500 different from every other version. The entire stock and forend, which is the piece of polymer or wood that you hold onto while pumping it, can be swapped without any tools. You don't even need any screwdrivers or a gunsmith. Just twist, pull, and replace it. This matters in survival scenarios because different people in your household have different arm lengths, different body sizes, and different physical capabilities. A shotgun that fits an adult male perfectly may be difficult for a shorter adult or teenager to operate, but the Flex system solves this problem in under a minute. The Mossberg 500 itself has been in production since 1967 and over 12 million have been sold. Parts are available everywhere, and if something breaks, you can find a replacement almost instantly. It costs around $450 new, which forms the foundation for all the other shotguns on this list. If you think a basic pump-action shotgun is all you need, don't stop here. Stay with this list because what's coming next will completely change how you think about shotgun capability. If you want more firearm breakdowns that actually explain things clearly without any fluff, subscribe to the channel now. 11. Remington 87 Express 12 gauge. Now we will talk about the best-selling pump-action shotgun in American history. Over 11 million have already been produced, and it is available at virtually every gun store in the country. The reason that the Remington 870 earns this place is because of one word: availability. In a World War III scenario where you need parts or need your shotgun repaired, the 870's widespread presence becomes a real tactical advantage. Mechanics note: parts are almost everywhere, and every gunsmith in America has them. For a beginner, the 870 Express operates on the same pump-action mechanics that the Mossberg 500 has. You load shells into the tube magazine underneath the barrel, cycle the pump to chamber around, and pull the trigger. That's about it. The 12-gauge ammunition it fires is the most common shotgun cartridge in America. In a collapse scenario, 12-gauge shells will be findable long after more specialized calibers have disappeared from store shelves. The Express model is approximately $400 new. It is not flashy and does not have extra accessories right out of the box, but it is a reliable, proven, American-made pump action that has been defending homes for over 70 years. 10. Winchester SXP Defender 12 gauge. The Winchester SXP is the fastest pump action on the list. Here is what that means practically. Most pump shotguns require you to physically pull the pump backward and push it forward between shots. The SXP uses an inertia-assisted design where the recoil from firing actually helps start the pump cycle. The result is that even a nervous, stressed, or undertrained shooter cannot go wrong with this one. They can cycle this shotgun faster than almost any other pump on the market. Speed matters in home defense. Speed matters when you are under stress and your fine motor skills have degraded. It matters when the difference between 1 round and 2 rounds in a 3-second window is the difference between life and death. The SXP Defender comes in configurations specifically designed for home defense, featuring shorter barrels for tighter close-range patterns, an improved cylinder choke, and a drilled and tapped receiver for adding sights or optics if you want them. For a beginner, this is one of the best guns because it makes cycling much faster and more forgiving under stress than a traditional pump. Winchester has been making American firearms since 1866, so the quality is not even in question. The price starts at around $400 new, and the speed advantage over similarly priced competitors makes it worth its spot on the list. 9. Savage Stevens 320 Security 12 Gauge. The most affordable serious home defense shotgun in America is this one. Full stop. The Stevens 320 is available new for just $250. At that price point, it is half the cost of most other shotguns on the list. For a family that is limited on budget but has multiple family members who want defensive options, this one is going to be life-changing. Here's what you need to understand about a budget shotgun. The 12-gauge cartridge does most of the heavy lifting here. The shell leaves the barrel at about 1,300 feet per second with 9 pellets of buckshot. The physics are exactly the same, whether the gun that fired it costs $250 or $2,500 at close range inside your home. The performance difference between the Stevens 320 and a Benelli M4 is essentially zero at across-the-room distances. Where the Stevens 320 loses to the more expensive options is in long-term durability, the smoothness of its operation, and the overall finish quality. It is not a gun built for 50,000 rounds of sustained competitive use. It is a gun built to be affordable, functional, and reliable. 8. Mossberg 5.9 OA 112 Gauge. Now here is where the list transitions from civilian home defense guns to something built for a completely different level of duty. The Mossberg 5.9 OA1 is the United States military's shotgun of choice. Specifically, it is the variant that passed the rigorous Mil-Spec 344E testing protocol, a series of torture tests that includes firing 3,000 rounds continuously, submersion in salt water, drop tests from significant heights, and temperature extremes ranging from 0 to over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The 5.90A1 passed all of those tests. Other commercial shotguns did not make it through the testing, but the 5.90A1 did. What this means practically is that this gun is built to a standard that the US military determined was tough enough for combat use. The heavy-walled barrel, the metal trigger guard, the metal safety selector instead of polymer, and the extended magazine tube holding 9 shells. All of these features exist because the military demanded them for maximum reliability. 7. Kel-Tec KSG 12 Gauge. "14 rounds without reloading in a pump shotgun." If that number surprised you, welcome to the most unusual design on this list. The Kel-Tec KSG uses what is called a bullpup design. On a traditional shotgun, the magazine tube runs under the barrel in front of the trigger. On the KSG, the entire action sits behind the trigger. This makes the gun incredibly short, only 26 inches overall, while still running a full 18-inch barrel. It features 2 magazine tubes, one on each side of the barrel, and each tube holds 7 rounds. There's a selector switch between the tubes that lets you choose which side you're feeding from. With 14 rounds in total in a compact package, this is one of the highest capacity shotguns you can buy today. Let's say World War III breaks out, and you need to defend your position without the ability to reload frequently. Having 14 rounds of 12 gauge without breaking to reload is a genuine tactical advantage here. For beginners, this gun's short length makes it perfect for navigating tight spaces. However, it is a bit on the expensive side, coming in at approximately $1,000 new, but the massive capacity advantage easily justifies the price. We are only halfway through the list, and the next few shotguns are where things get much more serious. Subscribe so you catch every breakdown that we post on this channel. 6. Benelli Nova Tactical 12 Gauge. Now let's talk about Benelli, because they launched the Nova, and ever since, it's been on a completely different level. It operates in weather conditions that would cause most traditional pump shotguns to malfunction. Here is something most beginners do not know about pump shotguns. In freezing temperatures, heavy rain, or extremely muddy and sandy conditions, they can slow down or stop working entirely. The action can gum up, components can freeze, and in colder areas, reliability is not always guaranteed. The Benelli Nova uses a revolutionary single-piece polymer and steel receiver design that completely eliminates the joints and gaps where water, mud, and ice can enter and cause problems. The entire frame is one solid piece, meaning there is nowhere for contamination to get inside. Italian engineering gives this tool brutal reliability. The Nova tactical configuration comes with ghost ring sights, a type of rear sight that is much faster to acquire under stress than traditional bead sights, along with a 4-round capacity that can easily be expanded with extended magazine tubes. For a beginner in a harsh or cold climate, this is the gun to get. 5. Mossberg 5.9 0 Shockwave 12 gauge. Let's talk about the shortest 12-gauge platform on this list, and the one that generates the most questions about how exactly it became legal. The Shockwave is technically not a shotgun under federal law. It is officially classified simply as a firearm. The barrel is 14 inches long and the overall length is 26.3 inches, parameters that would normally make a traditional shotgun an NFA item requiring federal registration and a $200 tax stamp. Because the Shockwave ships from the factory without a shoulder stock and with a specific grip design called a bird's head grip, it falls into a legal category that is unrestricted in most states. Practically, the compact Shockwave is an extremely portable 12-gauge platform that can be stored in spaces where no traditional shotgun fits. It can go behind a car seat, inside a bug-out bag, or on a small shelf, all while holding 5 rounds of 12-gauge. For beginners, the Shockwave requires specific training to use safely without a stock to absorb recoil, as the handling technique is completely different from a traditional long gun. It sits at approximately $450 new, and it is the most portable 12-gauge option available without additional legal paperwork. 4. Remington 8.7 Police Magnum. The civilian 8.7 is good, but the Police Magnum is the rugged version that law enforcement agencies actually issue to officers. The difference matters here. The Remington Police Magnum features a parkerized finish, a military-style, rust-resistant surface treatment that holds up to heavy use far better than standard commercial bluing. Police departments across America carried the 8.7 Police Magnum for decades because it was the most reliable pump action available for sustained professional use. Finding a Police Magnum variant typically means going through used police surplus channels or specialty dealers. Prices can range between $500 and $800 depending on the condition, but you are getting an 8.7 built to a much higher manufacturing standard than the standard consumer version. For a beginner who wants the classic 8.7 platform specifically, the Police Magnum version is the absolute way to go. 3. Browning A5 12 gauge. This is the gun that changed everything about how shotguns work. John Moses Browning designed the original Auto 5 back in 1902, making it the first successful automatic shotgun in history. The design was so fundamentally correct that it remained in production for nearly 100 years, and the modern Browning A5 is a direct high-tech evolution of that original layout. Automatic means no manual pumping between shots. The action cycles automatically using recoil energy so you can fire again instantly. For a beginner under stress, the removal of the pump cycle eliminates a major mechanical step that can go wrong during a high-pressure situation. The modern A5 uses a kinematic drive system that cycles reliably across a huge range of shell types and power levels. It is around $1,700 new, making it one of the more expensive semi-automatics on the market, but the reliability and rapid firepower of this shotgun are absolutely crazy. 2. Benelli M2 Tactical 12 gauge.
The M2 is amazingly well-balanced and quick handling.
The semi-automatic shotgun that law enforcement and military units worldwide trust when a situation is at its most serious is the Benelli M2. This shotgun uses an inertia-driven operating system, which is one of the simplest and cleanest semi-automatic mechanisms ever designed. Having fewer moving parts than gas-operated shotguns means there are fewer components that can break down or require constant scrubbing. The tactical configuration comes out of the box with ghost ring sights, a pistol grip stock for better control, and a top rail for adding optics or accessories. For beginners who are stepping into the world of semi-automatic shotguns, the M2 offers a dead simple manual of arms: load it, flip the safety off, aim, and fire. This simplicity makes it one of the most accessible shotguns on the market despite its professional-grade performance. It is not cheap, sitting at approximately $1,400 new, but its flawless reliability record is completely off the charts. 1. Benelli M4 Tactical 12 Gauge. This is the shotgun that the United States Marine Corps relies on. Why? Well, let's take a quick history lesson. The M4 was officially adopted by the USMC back in 1999 after undergoing grueling tests against every single semi-automatic shotgun available on Earth. It won because of one specific feature, a unique auto-regulating gas-operated system called Argo. While most semi-automatic shotguns require tuning or part changes for different ammunition types, the M4's Argo system automatically adjusts to whatever shell you put into it, cycling everything from low-recoil rounds to heavy slugs without any resistance. Marines in Iraq and Afghanistan ran it through harsh combat conditions that destroyed other equipment, but the M4 kept right on working. For a beginner, the M4 is the easiest semi-automatic shotgun to operate because of that forgiving Argo system. You load it, you fire it, and it cycles under any condition with whatever shells you can find. It is the most expensive gun on our list at $2,200, but the military did not choose it because it was affordable. They chose it because when a Marine's life depends entirely on their shotgun functioning, this is the one tool that keeps functioning no matter what. Which of these 12 shotguns is already sitting in your safe? Drop the number in the comments below. If this breakdown helped you understand firearms a little bit better, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now.